What's up guys, it's Carter from Clarity Auto Details. Today I've got 5 tips for cleaning your cup holders. Now the first tip is going to be to vacuum and remove all the trash. What this is going to be able to do for you is it's going to get all that junk that is solid and easily removable out of the way, so that when you get things wet you don't have extra sticky, gooey, nasty stuff to get rid of. The second is going to be actually removing your cup holders. If you can remove your cup holders, this is just going to make it so much easier to clean because you have much more access. You can move it around, you can look inside of them, and you can move them all over the place, and it's just a lot easier. And plus you can clean underneath the cup holders, where it also, believe it or not, tends to get dirty. Number 3, you need an interior cleaner or an APC. This one is called Express Interior Cleaner. It's basically an all-purpose cleaner, but it's safe on all the surfaces inside the interior of the car. What the cleaner is going to do is it's going to help lift all that dirt, soda spill, grime, gross stuff that's in your cup holders. It's going to help lift it and totally just remove it. Next up, you're going to want brushes. Now what your brushes are going to do, you're going to have some stiffer ones, some softer ones, some bigger ones, some smaller ones, whatever. But brushes are just going to help agitate the cleaner and the dirt together and help the cleaner do its job more effectively. Next up, you're going to need a microfiber towel. Now microfiber is better because it's designed to catch and hold on to things. So when you use microfiber, you mop up all the suds at the end, and you're going to be mopping up all the dirt with those suds. That's 5 tips for how to clean your cup holders better. Stay tuned for the next video. Like, share, and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace.
Reach the wizard.